Hello, my name is Krista, and today I should solve one mathematical problem. I should find the primitive function of this equation here, of this problem. We have a x power 3 plus 3 x power 2 plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so how we can solve that and find the primitive function? The first one I will set one table and I will do the polynomial, just a moment. Yes, we should take the date. Um, Before I start, I'd like to write here the polynomial division, and I'm putting this table, which will be easy to do this calculation. It's a little bit hard to do that, but I must find the way to solve this problem. Okay, and here I have x plus 2, and I'm going out. In another side, I will write x power 3 plus 3x power 2 plus x and minus 1. Okay, and I will go out. Okay, this one is correct. And now I will take this table here to do out of it. So, and now I have to find some variable which I can multiply with this variable here. It should give x power 3. And this one is the x power 2. Okay? So I'm saying now x power 2 multiplied by x. I don't know what did this disappear, this mouse. Okay. I don't know what's the problem. Sometimes they are coming, sometimes that in the table they don't function. Maybe. Okay, but x power 2 multiplied by x is here x power 3. Okay, and x power 2 multiplied by 2 is the plus 2 x power 2. Okay, and so I'm going out. And now let me manipulate a little bit this. So I like to delete this one here. Okay, I will delete this one here. So there'll be look a little bit beautifully. So just a moment. I'm saying that this is a little bit hard, but we can succeed. So, okay, I will delete this one too. Okay, so now I will go. So let me put this one minus. So, and I'm going out, and this one I will do like something like this here, and I'm saying x power 2 minus x power 3 is 0. Okay, but let me put the math type is 0. And after that, I'm saying 3x power 2 minus 2 is the just plus x. and I'm going out. And this is 0. And this one gives just x. And I will put, this is the, I'm sorry, x power 2. And we have this plus here and minus 1. Okay. So let me see if it looks good. It looks good now. Okay. So now I have this one and this one. I'd like to find now variable which I can multiply, and this variable is x. X multiplied by x will be x power 2. Okay? They will be here. Okay? Also, x power x will be x power 2. Okay? And x power 2, x multiplied by 2 is the 2x. Is the plus 2x. I'm going out. And they're causing a little bit problem. So, but before I do that, I should put one minus here. So, okay. Okay. So now let me delete this line here. So now it's pretty good. And I will delete this one too. Okay. Go home. And now I'm saying that x power 2 minus x is 0. This gives 0. And after that, I'm taking x minus 2x is the minus x. Because minus multiplied by plus is the minus 2x, and plus 1x is minus x. And minus 1. Let me close this one here. So let me see if I did right now. So, okay, now it's good. So now I should find another variable here, this one. And this will be just 1 plus 1. No, sorry, minus 1. Minus 1. And let me close this one here. So now I have a minus 1 multiplied by x is minus x. But let me go down now. So this is the minus x, and the minus 1 multiplied by plus 2 is the minus 2. Minus 2. And now I will take one minus here because I'd like to eliminate these things. And let me see how this one looks. And then now I have a minus x plus x is here 0. But let me start math type is the 0. And after that, I'm saying that minus multiplied by minus 2 is the plus 2. And plus 2 minus 1 is just plus 1. Okay? Let me do something like this here. Let me go back one step. Let me go one step back. So now, and let me do a little bit manipulation here. I will erase this one here. So, and this. Okay, one more time. This here. And now it looks pretty good. Okay, so what this means? This means that this equation, this polynomial, I have done a polynomial division, and this gives us this equation here. I will write here. This one is the x power 2 plus x minus 1 and plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So this one here, plus 1, which is this one here, is the rest. We call them a rest. Let me write here a rest. Okay? Rest. Okay. Let me go back a little bit. I should do programming to that everything should work properly. Okay? And then now I have this one here. Okay. So I will like to copy this one here, and now I will doing the integration for this equation here. And the integration I can take like this one here, but before I should, because I'd like to find the primitive function of this polynomial division. This means that this is the primitive function of this one here, and there will be the x here, and even I will find the integral. I will find the integral of this one here. Let me first mark this one here, and after that I will write dx, and which is equal. I must go one step down because it's very big, so we don't see. Let me see. 3, 4 is much bigger, but I will take 2 so you can see everything here. I'm sorry for that. Maybe the letter is small, but I hope that you should understand that. So now, when I'd like to continue, so I will take one integral from first one here, x power 2, the x, and I will put another integrals from this one here, plus x, will be much more easier to understand that, x dx, and I will put one integral 2, or there will be minus 1, 1 dx, and plus integral for this one here, and there will be 1 divided by x plus 2 dx. Okay? So now, when we're doing the integration, f of x is equal. So we have here first one, x power 2 plus 1. And this 2 plus 1 comes down here because it's integration. Plus, this is for this integral. And now for this integral, we have a x power 1 plus 1, which means 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? After that, we take this one. We know that there will be minus. The primitive function of 1 is just x plus. Before I start here, I'd like to put for this fraction, I will take that t is equal x plus 2, which means that when I take the derivative, the t is 1 plus 0, which means that the derivative of x is 1, of constant 2 is 0, and this one is equal to t, the x, or the t is equal to x. Okay, so let me put this one here. It will be much more easier to see what I'm doing. Okay, so now instead of this integral here, I will put a new integrals, but with 1 divided by t and the t. Okay, so now I will take everything here is the same, but here I have 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3 here down, and here it is 1 plus 1 is 2. So when you learn, you don't need to write every step I'm doing here. And the minus x is the same. And then now I know that 1 divided by t is ln absolute value from t, absolute value from t, and plus constant c. So now I will substitute back this one here instead for t, and I receive instead for t, I will write x plus 2. So now we're done. So the result of this calculation, the primitive function for this polynomial here, for this fraction, is this one. So let me copy this one again here, and I will write in f of x which they call this one. Let me change the color here, and this one is the solution for these calculations. So now you see that let me take just one page. Let me do here every formula for this half, and I will put this one like this. So one more time. So this exercise is good. Now you have a very beautiful layout. You can show that this is a very beautiful and good document. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that you like this video, and go to my YouTube channel. I will put a lot of calculations now because I like to do a math problem, and I will do very good stuff. Thank you. Have a nice time, and good luck to you. Thank you.